Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the font on your Canva sheets on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the font style of font on your Canva sheets. For an example, just need to change the font style on the Canva sheet. So just going for an example. So this can be changed into different font by clicking here. You can find just going to change this as important, and this can be changed this into another different font, and this can be changed into Times New Roman, and this can be changed into this, and you can just do by this. And you can just also search for an example a handwriting font. So you just need a handwriting font. You can just change the font into handwriting like this. So this is the way you can just search any font. For an example, most we just use a Time New Roman for our work. So I just going to type as Time New Roman. You can find a Time New Roman font here. And if you just need a different font like Harry Potter font, you can just type as just search here. If it is here, it will be fine here. And for an example, display font. So you can find different type of font here. Just click this. It will be changed automatically. This is how you just change the font or font style on your Canva sheets on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet in the next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.